What exactly did the CBI ask Thalapathy Vijay and why is this case so serious? Hello and welcome, you're watching us on Bollywood Live. This is Gaurika and today I am going to decode this for you. Actor and TVK chief Vijay Thalapathy appeared before the Central Bureau of Investigation in New Delhi after being summoned in a connection with the Karur Stampede case, one of the deadliest political rally incidents in recent years. The case relates to a tragic stampede that occurred on September 27 last year during a political rally in Karur, Tamil Nadu. The incident claimed 41 lives and left more than 60 people injured, sending shockwaves across the country and raising serious questions about crowd management and accountability. Following a Supreme Court order, the CBI took over the investigation from a special investigating team. A senior CBI officer was appointed to lead the investigation under the supervision of a three-member committee headed by former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ajay Rastogi. On January 12, Vijay arrived at the CBI headquarters in Delhi and was questioned for nearly 6 long hours. Investigators focused on understanding the sequence of events that led to the stampede. According to media reports, the CBI asked Vijay what he knew about the crowd situation on the day of the event and whether he was aware of how congested the venue had become. He was also questioned about the estimated number of people expected to attend the rally and whether adequate arrangements were in place to manage such a large crowd. Another key area of questioning was the delay in Vijay's arrival at the venue. Officials are believed to have asked whether this delay contributed to the restlessness among the crowd. The CBI also questioned him on whether he was informed about the chaos that followed an announcement regarding a missing child, which reportedly triggered the panic and confusion among the attendees. Well, if you talk about the answers, so as per TVK sources, Vijay reportedly said that his party was not responsible for the Karur stampede. According to the party functionaries, Vijay told the CBI that he left the venue deliberately to prevent the further chaos and avoid another tragedy. The same position has consistently been taken by TVK office bearers who were questioned earlier in the same case. Vijay is said to have cooperated fully with the investigation and answered all the questions posed to him. However, the CBI indicated that some issues remain unresolved and that he may be summoned again in the near future. Well, what do you have to say about this whole case and what is your opinion on the story? Do let us know in the comment section and stay tuned to Bollywood Live for more such updates.